niggas playing hard, then I'm checking the scope. Steady claiming they want issues, well we right at your door. This bitch came with the extension, I ain't missing at all.
What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Jay Glow Up, and I'm back at y'all with another exclusive banger on this channel, man. Listen, y'all went dumb on the last video. Y'all went crazy on the last video. I can't believe it. I woke up. I was like, man, hopefully I got 35 likes. I was like, hopefully I got 35 likes. But y'all went crazy. I'm not gonna lie. I think we're sitting at 60 likes right now, or 55 or something like that. Y'all went dumb on that video. I'm telling y'all went dumb. But anyways, I want y'all to hit that subscribe button if you're new. And as y'all can see by the title, y'all say, man, this man really good. Look. I ain't gonna even say nothing, bro. You know what I'm saying? You see what it is. You did. You see what it is. You know what I'm saying? It's tough shit right there. You see what it is. You feel me? Y'all like, bro, your shit look, I'm not even finished with mine yet, you feel me? I'm just finna tell y'all, like, what I do on a daily basis to keep up with this, you feel me? I'm gonna tell y'all how I take care of my stuff, like my free forms and stuff like that. And all I gotta say, just be patient, bro. You know what I'm saying? That's all I gotta say. I'm gonna show y'all, like, the steps and stuff, or not the steps, but what I do, you know what I'm saying, to create this, alright, this little, you know what I'm saying, this little masterpiece right here I got to create this, you feel me? So listen, this is what I'm about to start doing. I want y'all to go to my Instagram. Listen, if you got free forms, you know what I'm saying, if you just started, I want y'all to send pictures to my Instagram. Listen, if you got free forms, just tell me, send a picture of yours. I'm gonna put like reacting to subscribers free form and stuff like that. So y'all go ahead and send it to my Instagram, and then I'm gonna put it in order. I'm putting in a video. I'm gonna react to it. Listen, I know I don't got the best ones, cause I already know at my school people be going dumb with it. And like my friend told me, like, he was like, bro, you should get like freeform or something like that. I just started in January. You feel me? Wait, was it January? It was at the end of January. All right. He was like, hey, bro, I want you to get some freeforms. And I was like, at the time, I didn't know like what to do. I kept asking, I'm like, what to do with this? You feel me? I don't know what to do. So what I had was, before that, I had a regular afro. You know, regular afro is so nasty, bro. You don't want that. You don't want that at all. I had a regular afro at one point in time. Then I had curls. You feel me? I mean, my shit was still perfect, because like what I do when I go to the barbershop, I get like a blowout. You see that? Right there, I get like a blowout every single time. Like, I can't get a haircut now because we in quarantine and shit like that. You feel me? So I get like a little blowout. I cut this part right here. Just ask for a blowout every single time if you got this type of, if you got a mohawk or something like that, you know what I'm saying? Just get your regular stuff. But if you got an afro, ask for a blowout, you feel me? And they should hook you right up. But anyways, like I said, go to my Instagram, send some pictures of your free forms and stuff like that. So we're gonna dive right into the video. I'm not making no cuts, so y'all just relax. You know what I'm saying? Enjoy this video, sit back, you know what I'm saying? Then if you wanna do it with me, go ahead, go right along. So number one, what you wanna do is, look, get some lock and twist gel, or let me see, put like, I think y'all can see it. Feel me? This is what I got. Lock and twist gel. Y'all can have anything. It don't matter what brand it is, as long as it's, you know, lock and twist gel. Really, you feel me? I mean, you could use it. I used it because if you want your freeforms to lay down, you feel me? I want my shit to lay down. I want my shit to hang. You know what I'm saying? That's what I got right now. My shit is hanging. If you want that, put this in. Just do it, bro. I'm telling you, just put this in, bro. This shit would change your life. Your hair would start hanging and everything like that. Feel me? That's just number one. And all you gotta do, it smell decent. All right, it smell. I don't know what it smells like, but it smells decent though. You know what I'm saying? This is the inside. You know, you see the hair right there. We kind of been using and stuff like that. And this is very helpful, bro. You feel me? Just put it in at the end of your roots. This will help you lock the freeform roots into like dreads and stuff like that. And it take, I don't know how long it's gonna take. You feel me? I really don't know. Look, if you that type of person that wash your hair every single day, do not do that, bro. You're really just messing up the process of your dreads getting locked, or where your hair getting locked. You feel me? Really. And I just started, like I said, I just started, and my shit is already like, you know, it's fire, bro. You feel me? But like I was saying, really, just get this, put this at the end of your dread. All right, y'all, this is second clip, bro. You know what I'm saying? I had to end the first clip right quick because you know how it goes. But anyways, that was the first clip, you know what I'm saying? The lock-in twist gel. Listen, don't use this before you use this. All right, this play. It don't matter what side you use. My shit is fucked up. I'm not gonna lie. My shit is, y'all can see that. My shit is pretty fucked up. I'm not gonna lie. Like I use the small holes a lot. Then when the small holes, like on this side, when it went out, I went to the this side right here, and both sides is like pretty fucked up. I'm not gonna lie. And once I had the form, you know what I'm saying? I don't want to mess up my form now. Like I know, like you could design it. That's why I like freeform. You could design it the way that you want. Really, you could design it. See, you see, I put like, you know what I'm saying? This is how I design it. Really, I like my shit like hanging over. Some people like this shit like this, but I don't like doing that though. Especially when I don't got no haircut. That shit is like, I hate that shit. But use this before you use this. Alright, the lock and twist gel. You feel me? So, you know, do a rotation. I said take about like 10 minutes. You know what I'm saying? Make sure, don't rush it at all. Do not rush it. Just play some music, do whatever you want, watch some TV, just sit there and just do that. Really. And all I gotta say about the washing stuff, or, you know what I'm saying? Once you put the lock and twist gel in, like, or you could put like these rubber bands in at the ends, I mean on the bottom of your root, and just, let me show y'all right quick. You can put like at the root and shit, and let it like grow together and let it stick together. But I didn't do that because, I don't know. I mean, you can do that. I just choose not to, because sometimes rubber bands can mess up your hair, and I just choose not to, really. But yeah, so the washing thing, right? So I said wash your hair. Some people don't wash their hair at all, like when they doing like this, like freeform and stuff. Some people don't wash their hair at all. I want you to wash your hair, because you don't want to get dandruff, stuff like that, some nasty shit like that. You don't want to get all that in your hair, and it's gonna be nasty, bro. Your hair gonna be smelling like, I'm not gonna lie, your hair gonna be smelling bad. So wash your hair about once or twice a week, really. Just do that. You know what I'm saying? I mean, if you don't have a sponge, then use a towel. If you don't have a towel, then use a rag. If you don't have a rag, then I don't know what to say, bro. You feel me? But if you don't have a towel, the method is to use a rag or a towel. You feel me? But I use a sponge. I don't use it no more, cause like my hair is already, you know what I'm saying? All I gotta do is just sit back, just let it grow, let it lock up. That's why I said I want y'all to send y'all freeform so I can learn from y'all too. You know what I'm saying? We can learn from each other how we do stuff like that. Like, I've been seeing like a lot of crazy freeforms and stuff like that. That's why I started, and plus my friends that was saying like you should get freeforms. I thought that freeforms wouldn't look good on me, really. But you know what I'm saying? I tried it, and this how it look, bro. I'm not gonna lie, this how it really look. Feel me? You could like later down on the road, I'm finna dye like my tips like blonde or something. Probably not blonde, probably blonde. I don't know. Feel me? But anyways, man, if you're new to the channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on post notifications. Let's get, you know what I'm saying? We're gonna up the like goal. You know what I'm saying? Y'all was like, damn, 35 likes, man. We could do better than that. You know what I'm saying? Listen, let's get 50 likes onto this video. 50. If we could do 50 likes, I would do a reaction to subscribers freeform dreads, bro. You feel me? 50 likes. And y'all hit up my Instagram. Y'all see me the pictures and everything like that, bro. You feel me? I'm gonna chop it up. It's gonna be like a solid 20-minute video. I'm gonna be reacting and stuff like that. So let's go crazy, man. It's your boy J Glow. I'm signing out, man. Peace. Love y'all. Let's get it.